इधर आ
10 best services offered by Amazon Web Services. Amazon Web Services is a subordinate of Amazon that provides a cloud computing platform to evolve an organization. You will also agree that Amazon Web Service have always been a building block for organization that plans to develop any type of application over the cloud. Simple implementation, high security, laxity, and flexibility are a few must consider factors of Amazon Web Service. In addition to this, Amazon has different services that cater to fulfill the requirements of different domains. A few commonly used domains of AWS are compute, storage, database, migration, network, content management tools, security, and identity complaints. Talking about the broad spectrum of service offered by AWS, here are 10 trading services that can implemented on apps or databases over AWS cloud to perfectly fit into the project. What are the top 10 Amazon Web Services to 2020? Amazon S3 is on the top of the AWS service list. This is best storage and data plays a very significant role in cloud computing. AWS delivers Amazon Simple Storage Service or Amazon S3 to store or retrieve data from the cloud. This scalable, inexpensive, and high-speed web-based service is designed for archival and online backup of application program as well as data. S3 allows to user to access the same system like that of Amazon to run its website. User can control public and private data. Beside the most important and the growth of annual data transfer on an average with Amazon S3 is predicted to be 91%. This is a clear sign that S3 is one of the most used AWS service. Do you know that anyone can access free layer providing a storage capacity of 5 GB, and the best part is the pricing that $0.023 per month to access the first 50 TB of storage capacity. Cost friendly, right? Amazon Cloud for Front. Have you ever evaluate how fast is your website when the users connect? Do they have to wait for a few seconds to open a page? Amazon Cloud Front is one of the best Amazon cloud service offering the best solution to these issues, having a unique features of improving the speed of the website. The service also helps is access user information on the cloud. Cloud Front is basically a global content delivery service that assists in managing content, delivering it to the end user, thereby ensuring the efficient presentation. This particular AWS service helps is providing website static files that are obtained from various data centers across the global.